6 Composition of Matter Short Notes, Class 8. Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space. Exists in three main states: solid, liquid, gas. Particles of matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles, atoms, molecules. Particles are very small, have spaces between them, and are always in motion. They attract each other with the force of attraction. States of matter. Solid, fixed shape and volume, strong particle force, negligible compressibility. Liquid, no fixed shape, fixed volume, moderate force of attraction, flows easily. Gas, neither fixed shape nor volume, very weak force, highly compressible. Change of state. Melting, solid liquid. Freezing, liquid solid. Evaporation, liquid gas. Condensation, gas liquid. Sublimation, solid gas, direct. Pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance made of only one kind of particle, elements and compounds. Mixture, combination of two or more substances, homogeneous or heterogeneous. Elements, compounds and mixtures. Element, simplest substance made of one type of atom, example O, Fe. Compound, substance formed by chemical combination of elements, example HO, Co. Mixture, physical combination, can be separated by physical methods, example air, salt water. Sparkles, in short. Matter is made of tiny particles. It exists in different states and can change state. Matter may be pure, element, compound, or a mixture. There is one more type of compounds, namely complex compounds. The molecules of compounds have a complex structure formed by many atoms, and in the center of this structure metal atoms are also included. Chlorophyll that contains magnesium, hemoglobin that contain iron, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, that contain cobalt are some examples of complex compounds. Various atoms in the molecules of compounds are joined by chemical bonds. Solution, a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, is called solution. Component of a solution which is present in the largest proportion is called solvent. The other components which are in less proportion than the solvent are called solutes. Solution can also be of the types liquid in liquid, for example, vinegar, dilute sulfuric acid. Gas in gas, for example, air. Solid in solid, for example, alloys like brass, steel, stainless steel, etc. Gas in liquid, for example, chlorinated water, hydrochloric acid. Heterogeneous mixture of a liquid and a solid is called a suspension. The diameter of the solid particles in a suspension is larger than 10 to 4 meters. Colloid. The tiny particles of milk phase in heterogeneous mixture are dispersed evenly in water phase, and the diameter of these particles is around 10 to 5 meters. Such a heterogeneous mixture is called a colloid.